Today's the day we're gonna put wheels and tires back on the car. I'll say back on the car, it already has some on it. But we're gonna go with brand new wheels and tires. Those tires are for the back here. Those are for the front. Yes, they're different sizes. I'm okay with it. So let's go ahead and load. These are the wheels here. So load them up, get them put on, and then we'll install them in the car. Well, while we're waiting for the tires to be installed on the wheels, it's going to take them about 2 hours because they're behind. I'm going to go ahead and start taking the wheels off of the car. And this car is different than regular Volkswagen. Regular Volkswagens have lug bolts like this. So we changed this to make it a little bit easier to take the wheels off. I already got this one off. That's like a normal car. That's the stud, the lug stud for it, where your lug nut would go on. I gotta take all those out because the wheels that are going on this car require the lug bolts that I just showed you. So let's get to cracking. Well, getting the studs out wasn't as easy as I figured, but we got this one off anyway. Yeah, it's kind of ugly looking, but I really don't care. We got them out with some heat and vice grips. But look at the difference in the back tires. We'll go to the old one first. Boom. And look. Now let's put it on the car. I forgot to do a video after I started jacking up the front end. But back ones are on. They are on. Yeah. So let's put the front ones on. Doing that now. See how it all looks together. Well, we got it done. Took longer than expected because that stud would not come out. So it fits down in here. Spin it in. That way it would actually have a stud in here. Normally Volkswagens, they don't have that. Just like every other German car, like Audis or Volkswagens or BMWs, same way. So this was a modification we did a long time ago. This one was the only one that wouldn't come out. We heated it, we PV blasted it, but we were lifting up the whole front of the car with vice grips with that. So yeah, we had to put a different drum on. That took care of it, but yeah, looks good. Looks real good. And then from the back, it's a lot wider. The tires are a lot wider than from before. Kind of upset that my center caps, what I had on my old wheels, won't fit on these because these wheels are a little bit skinnier on the inside hole where the center cap would go. But I think it's all right. I don't think the stance is too bad. It is facing down more in the front now. Gives it more of a hot rod look. So anyway, now we're just waiting on the carpet, because there is none. Carpet comes in, then the seats go in, and that's it. And we got to get a new header for that, because that one's seen better days. So until next time, catch y'all later.